is time. It's time for the Lightning Round. Remember, that's where, of course, one of them is famous talkers. And then the Lightning Round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? It's time for the Lightning Round. Currently, we'll start with Nikki in Ohio. Nikki.
Hey, Nick. This is Nick from Ohio. I would like to opinion on holding Amazon for the long term.
Okay, Amazon for the long term is very good. Now, here's the problem with Amazon for the short term. I don't like what I've seen so far for them for artificial intelligence. But I think they'll make a case, and then we'll feel a lot better about it. Let's go to Rick in California. Rick.
Hey, Jim. How you doing, Professor
I'm doing
Cramer?
well. What's up?
Hey, listen, I'm a longtime fan. Over 10 years since I've retired. I've watched you almost every day. I was watching last week, and you had the CEO of a company called ResMed, who makes CPAP machines, which actually I have and use. Pardon?
He's a smart fellow, Mick. I like him.
Yep. And so anyway, so I have sleep apnea, and so I've had it for about a year, and I do use a CPAP machine from ResMed. However, a good friend of mine who had sleep apnea for more than 7 years had a minor operation from a company called Inspire, and it's INSP is the symbol.
Do neurostimulation, and frankly, it's not an easy operation. They're a very speculative situation. I'm not against specs when it comes to medical devices because we need them, so I think it's interesting, but it is at a high. Let's go to Lester in Iowa. Lester.
Good evening, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course, Lester. What's up?
I've had Otter Power for about 40 years. I started with 300 shares, and I've got over 12,000 now from reinvesting. My question is, what do you think of Otter?
I think it's an excellent growth utility. I'm glad you brought it up. I haven't featured it, and I like utilities. I feel like I'm one of the few people on the network that actually talks about them. And Otter is a very good one. And congratulations for doing the right thing and reinvesting. That's fabulous. Let's go to Richard in Arizona. Richard.
Booyah, Jim. First-time caller.
Okay.
Beautiful Paradise Valley, Arizona. I'm calling about Icahn Enterprises after that Hindenburg report in the state.
That's what I call a hot one. Too hot for this guy. We got a conceivable Justice Department inquiry. We've got a short seller coming in saying bad things about it. Against that, we've got a long-time good investor. It is too hard. It is what I call a battleground, and battlegrounds are not for me. Let's go to Brian in Florida. Brian.
Hey, Jim. Long-time listener here, first-time caller. Big
All
fan
right,
of the
what's
show, by the way.
happening?
I work with a local cannabis company down here called Plant Depot, and they wanted to know where you think the cannabis space is heading, since companies like Jazz Pharmaceuticals and Tilray seem to keep downtrending, and the government doesn't seem to be making much progress with federal legalization.
Look, the government is. Look, remember what's happening is the government's basically many different governments. And it's local, and it's state, and it's federal. And I've been staying away from these kinds of stocks because I do not believe that the government's got its act together to be able to make it so that we can get them nationwide. Let's go to, if I did, I would tell you to Constellation Brands would be the one, STZ with some club votes. Let's go to Ahmed in Michigan. Ahmed.
Hey, Professor Cramer, thanks for taking my call. Really appreciate it. My question is on a stock. I'm in the House of Pain, Generac. What's your thoughts on that?
You know, Generac is one that I recommended for a very long time, but they have not been making the quarters. It's been a very downbeat stock. And I've got to tell you, we can throw in Enphase Energy at the same point. These are not the stocks to own right now in this cycle, and with oil going down, it makes it even worse. Let's go to Shane in California. Shane.
Hey, Jim, big fan. Love your show. Thank you for taking my call.
Thank you, Shane. What's going on?
Hey, so I know years ago I asked you about this, and you were not very high on the stock, but I'm wondering if it's time to start looking at Energy Transfer.
I changed my mind, and the reason I changed my mind is that Kelsey Warren have been buying, loading up the place with debt. It's no longer the case. It's got a good yield, and I'm going to say you're still fine at ET. That's been my view on it in the last couple of years, and I'm going to stick by it. Let's go to Michael in Maryland. Michael.
Jim, booyah!
Wow, spirited booyah. What's happening?
Hey, that's a dual train intro. I'm calling on Origin Materials, just reporting
this stock is so controversial. I said something positive about a few weeks ago, and I got hit from both sides saying, listen, you don't know these guys, whatever. And I do, and I've looked at it, and it is too speculative for this guy. We're not done. Let's go to Francine in my home state of New Jersey. Francine.
How are you, Jim?
I am good. How about you, Francine?
Long-time listener, first-time caller.
Okay. Long time, first time.
Okay, Paysafe, bought it a lot higher. What are your near-term?
This is a payment situation. Any payments company I have stopped recommending, whether it be, we could be talking about Block, we could be talking about PayPal. The reason I have is because Apple, own it, don't trade it. I think that they're going to be the only wallet we need. Hey, I went to Whole Foods the other day. I forgot my wallet, but the chicken just waved it. Next thing you know, I paid for it. Didn't even realize. Hey, we're not done yet. Arthur in California. Arthur.
Hey, Jim. How's it going?
Good. How about you?
Good, good. Thank you. Thank you for taking my call. Thank you for educating and entertaining at the same time.
You're very kind.
I am a first-time caller. Jim, my question is about a company that my kids have made rich, but as a shareholder, I'm now a bag holder. What do you think about Roblox?
I think David Baszucki is a very good executive and a terrific guy, and the company did have a good quarter, but that may be an opportunity to be able to sell. Because I think it's a very competitive space. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.